Hello everyone, Namaskar. In this video today, we are going to talk about the introduction of physics. Physics, the fun to understand nature, the joy of knowing nature, knowing its principles is physics. Physics is life. Physics is fun. It is that powerful tool in the hands of mankind which serves the entire world. The physical world is comprising of startling variety of same principles, same phenomena, but they are bound to each other. Same principle can be used in various situations. The fall of an apple on the earth's surface is somewhere in connection to the revolution of the moon around the earth and some satellites using which we are communicating today. There are satellites which are revolving around the earth. Same principle. Same principle, same theory can be applied to the fall of an apple on the earth's surface to the moon revolving around the earth. At the same time, it can be applied to all the planets which are revolving around the sun. This is why I like physics. This is the reason why I love physics. You can explain so many things by knowing same principle, simple principle extended to the longest reach. The air which is inside a balloon, the molecules there, they will have the vibrations, they will have their own velocity. And the air which is outside, that one will also similar. Same proportion of different gases. The molecular velocities may differ, but the principle can be applied in both the situation. A hen hatches its eggs. How do they get hatched? Laws of thermodynamics play an important role there, and so is the laws of thermodynamics applied in our kitchen, in the atmosphere around the earth. Why does the earth remain warm at the time of night? Laws of thermodynamics can be applied. Law of gravitation can be applied in various situations, and that is why we definitely always need the same principles, same atoms gathering in different amount, in different proportion, and they lead to the constitution of this world, constitution of this galaxy, constitution of the universe. All of us, we know a popping popcorn is the simplest thing that can be done in kitchen. But that popcorn, when it gets bursted out, The explosion there is similar explosion which can be in some bombs. The temperature required for its eruption. Same principle can be applied in other cases of an explosion of a volcano or the bombs. If a cup of tea is taken in our hand, hot water boiled with the tea in it, and if we drop some amount of milk in it, we see a pattern there. Milk starts to get spreaded inside the cup, in the solution, in the liquid, and a pattern is formed inside it. Definitely, the similar patterns can be seen from the sky in our atmosphere. Smoke rises up, clouds are formed. All these phenomena can be explained with the same set of laws, same set of principles. Famous poet Alexander Pope once said, Newton about Newton he said, nature and its laws lay hid in night. Nature and its laws lay hid in night. God said, let Newton be. God said, let Newton be, and all was light. When I read this poem, the small quotation, I thought, can we club some principles, some theories of physics in the form of a poem? I kept on trying, kept on thinking. I prepared some poems. I recited in front of the children. As an attempt, today also, I am going to take one of the important entity of physics, and will try to bring it in my poem. The the topic of this poem is O light, O light. In this poem, I had tried to talk about the light and its phenomena. Let me start with the poem. O light, a wave or a particle. O light, a wave or a particle. Allow me to explain this simple article. Far, far somewhere, charges oscillate. Far, far somewhere, charges oscillate. They move up and down, to and fro, and migrate. You fall and bounce, we call reflection. Alright, you fall and bounce, we call it reflection. You pass through something, we call it refraction. The sincere following of I equals to R. The sincere following of I equals to R is always in reflection. But media slow you down to cause bending action. Red sunrises and sunsets. Red sunrises and sunsets are always fascinating. Red sunrises and sunsets are always fascinating. Oh, light gets spread from dusk and we call it scattering. Appear and show your path to us. Appear and show your path to us. Travel through the particle C. Tyndall effect to the world we see in a small patch of spectrum D. Mirage, Mirage and Looming. Mirage and Looming are just the effects only. Your total internal reflection makes diamond sparkle lonely. Beautifying the beautiful eyes, lasers are so kind. Beautifying the beautiful eyes, lasers are so kind. Oh light, you show the colors. Oh light, you show the colors. This world to a blind. I could recite this before you. I could recite this before you. Light is carrier of my words to you. Thoughts transformed in light too, with action of optical fibers in Q. O light, you comprehend, you hug. O light, you comprehend, you hug the whole universe in you. How would I do in a single poem through? Remain photon of H nu. You remain photon of H nu when you interact. Remain photon of H nu when you interact. In propagation dear, keep on going the wave act. Interference fringes and diffraction pattern. Interference fringes and diffraction pattern. Let the glow glowing for a lantern. This charm, happiness and everything. This charm, happiness and everything. The warmth of mother's blanket. Oh light, keep on bringing the life on my planet. Keep on bringing the life on my planet. So in this poem, I had tried to think about light. I had taken some of the phenomena of light and tried to bring them in my words. Now the task for you is simple. You sit on the chair and think the phenomenon that you like in physics, the phenomenon which inspired you someone, anything. It can be friction, it can be Archimedes principle, it can be force, it can be gravitation, it can be torque, it can be rotational motion, linear motion, anything. Sit on the chair, think about that phenomenon and make a poem on it. Send it to me in written as well as in the video form. So in our next video we will start our syllabus, we will start our course, but before that this is a task for you all to bring the any one phenomenon, anything from physics in your poem, in your words, in your thoughts. So I'm taking your leave. Thank you. Thank you.